Meet Jane. Jane is a manager. She's good at the traditional things: finance, HR, marketing. But she's worried. Her work is changing. Her organisation is operating more globally than ever before. New products and technologies are demanding new business models and strategies. Innovation and problem solving on a global level are now her leadership imperatives. She knows she needs to step up. She needs to transform. Sound familiar? Enter the Executive Masters in Leadership, Strategy and Innovation at Murdoch University. Designed for leaders by leaders. Our innovative and interactive online modules will equip you with the strategic, problem-solving and leadership acumen to realise your leadership ambitions. The international immersion and capstone consulting projects will provide you with the opportunity to apply learnings to global, real-world problems. And our expert, world-renowned faculty bring you a wealth of international cutting-edge expertise. In addition, the flexibility of our fully online program means you can learn while you earn. The Executive Masters in Leadership, Strategy and Innovation, transforming aspiring managers into inspiring leaders. Start your journey.